Good afternoon. My name is Mayra Garofalo. I am going to describe something that new that I have done recently. And I will also answer the question. What have you been doing these days? Give examples and explanation of your occupation. I have been doing exercise for the well-being of my family, taking care of our physical and mental health. I have taken family nutrition course. There I learned how I can take care of the nutrition health of my family. I put into practice what I have learned, be it during meals during the days, as well in body care exercise. Due to the current situation, I have bought groceries for my home, medicines, alcohol, antibacterial gel, mask, cleaning, and disinfection products. It is important to emphasize that supermarkets are crowded with people supplying food and basic necessities. As for my activities, these days I have stayed at home to prevent the spread of COVID and thus prevent the spread of the virus. I have been constantly disinfecting my house and taking care of our health. In addition to this, I have received virtual class and done my homework like any other day. In this case, my son has been kept at home until the doctors can control this disease. It is all as regards my routine activities of the last days. I thank you for your attention. Goodbye.